Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox Nokia 216. By the way guys, the Malayalam version of this channel is down in the description below. So go and subscribe that channel. So guys, let's get on to its unboxing. You can see this is the box we get when we buy it. It has quite good features on a feature phone. So let's get on to it. It has a free replacement. That's very good. Now there is the phone. Let's keep it aside. Now let's look at the accessories. Okay, it has a earphone. That's a charger. 502 ampere, I think. That's a Nokia battery. By the way, guys, this is a review piece. It has a 90 days standby time, 2-inch screen, selfie camera and a back camera. So this is the things you get in the box. That's a charger. Okay, that's a micro USB, not Type-C. So guys, that's a micro USB charge. That's a battery, 1000 milliampere, I think. This is the earphone. Okay, quite good style. You can see the Nokia branding on there, along with the smartphone itself. So guys, it looks sleek and awesome. You can see it is just like the other Nokia smartphones. You can see it is just like the other Nokia smartphones. Okay, it has the two SIM slots, one camera, a flash, speaker, and things like that. Let's put on the battery and check if it has some juice in it. The build quality is nice. You can see the Nokia boot logo. There you go, that's the setup. I'm gonna select the English and time zone, blah blah blah. Okay, that has been set up. Now you can see the smartphone. Let me just focus a bit so that you can see it. Yeah, now you can see it. These are all the things. Menu. This looks awesome and attractive. So guys, don't forget to buy the smartphone. Link is down in the description below. So that was it guys. Thanks for watching and see you.